Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. In one of my classes last week, we ended up talking a bit about fun fairs and theme parks. And one student was saying that she'd long dreamed of taking her kids to Disneyland in Florida. There then followed a little bit of discussion about safety standards in these kinds of places, before someone else chipped in by saying that because Disneyland is world famous, it obviously has its reputation to protect, and therefore you can guarantee that the safety standards there will be second to none. If you describe something as being second to none, you basically mean it's as good as or better than all the others. So you might say, for example, oh, it's an amazing hotel, that place. The service there is second to none. I couldn't believe how incredible the underground system was in that city. Honestly, in fact, the whole transport system there is second to none. Oh, if you're looking for a place to study, that's a great university to go to. Their English department is second to none. Maybe when schools are advertising themselves, they might say something like, our exam pass rates are second to none. Or respect and discipline in our schools are second to none. And maybe if you're talking about a player in a sports team or a worker in a company, you might say, what I really like about them is the fact that their work ethic is second to none. If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use second to none.